Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to show the Wi-Fi button on the menu bar on your MacBook. So if you don't see the Wi-Fi icon up here, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable that view. So it should be a pretty straightforward process, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by selecting the System Preference button down our System dock. So go ahead and left click on that. Go ahead and select Dock and Menu, so go ahead and left click on that button. Select Wi-Fi on the left side, and then where it says Show in Menu Bar, go ahead and make sure that is checkmarked. And there you go guys, simple as that. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.